and it's full of bubble bath. Woo! Woo! My gosh! Way to go! Woo! That's awesome! Tsunami! It's a tsunami!
Tsunami!
Tsunami pool! Oh my gosh! It's awesome!
How will the bubbles get out?
I'm going to, this is the last day that we'll be using the pool, so I'm just letting all the water out. Because it's, you know, it's fall time.
Yeah. And what do you do with the water?
This one, it just goes out. You just let it out like a drain. I'm sure it's environmentally safe.
Your grass is going to be watered plenty for a couple of days.
Way to go. All right, go on. Look at Hunter's getting it going. Look at that. Oh, watch Joseph get washed out of the pool.
Hunter's a master, please.
Whoa, way to go. Oh my gosh. Look. Oh my gosh.
Oh my God.
Tsunami alert. Tsunami alert. Go on, Joseph. Tsunami alert.
Tsunami.
Tsunami. Tsunami. Tsunami. Go on, Hunter. Get it going. Get it going.
Hunter, there. More cowbell. More cowbell.
More cowbell. We gotta have more cowbell. More cowbell.
Did you see that?
Yeah, I love it. That's my favorite one.
We watched it last night.
We gotta have more cowbell. More cowbell.
I like the one where they're listening to the song and they're chewing gum and they're like
Yeah.
the whole way.
The whole way. Yeah.
And we're getting more bubbles.
Oh, I know. It's great.
I wish I brought my bathing suit.
Just get your clothes. Who cares?
Let me go. I'm gonna go.
Go get in.
I'm going to
This is never